Cradler was born out of my own experience. In 2000, I was injured and began a rehabilitation process by yoga therapy. Over time in practice, I noticed that the supporting props were always placed under specific anatomical points. This led me to develop the 5 points paradigm, which is the foundation of Cradler. Cradler is more than just an unconventional recliner. It's a revolutionary new way to passively experience the benefits of yoga, and it's also a disruptive ergonomic design proposition. Cradler can help you relieve pain, reduce stress, improve your posture, and simply relax and enjoy a pleasurable sensory experience. I believe in providing value in both the personal and professional context. I believe in the wisdom of simplicity, in a rational structure that serves its function most efficiently, in minimalism, and in design that speaks for itself. I see Cradler as an expression of the